Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you're new here, we're all about providing honest, detailed product reviews to help you make informed choices. Today, we're diving into a popular beauty accessory, the 30-inch 613 13x6 lace front wig in blonde. Let's break it down and see how it stacks up. This 6113 lace front wig is made from 100% Brazilian virgin human hair. It's unprocessed, meaning you're getting real, natural hair that's full of body and shine. It comes with a 200 density, making it thicker and fuller than many other wigs, providing that voluminous, luxurious look. The wig features a 13x6 lace frontal, offering plenty of parting space and a seamless meltdown for a more natural, undetectable appearance. The lace is transparent and HD, designed to blend with a variety of skin tones. This wig also boasts some standout features. It has no shedding, no tangling, and no smell. Plus, it can be dyed, bleached, straightened, and styled into a high ponytail or bun, giving you tons of versatility with your look. Now let's talk real-world testing. I found that the wig was relatively easy to set up, especially with its adjustable straps and 3 combs inside for a secure fit. The cap size is a standard 22.5 inches, which fit comfortably, and the lace melted into my skin quite well, leaving no visible edges. One thing I particularly liked was the fullness and thickness of the hair. It's not thin or lifeless like some wigs can be. However, a potential downside could be that it might feel heavy to some, especially if you're not used to wearing dense wigs. It does add volume, which is great for those looking for dramatic styles, but it could take some getting used to if you prefer something lighter. Now, let's break down the pros and cons. The pros are definitely the density and thickness of the hair, which makes it look and feel very natural. The lace is transparent and blends well, and you've got a lot of styling options, from straightening to creating different updos. It's also durable, so with proper care, it can last a long time. The cons? Well, the 200 density might be too heavy for some, especially if you're looking for a lighter everyday wear wig. Additionally, while the wig fits most people, if you have a smaller head, the cap might feel a bit loose, even with the adjustable straps. As for value for money, I would say that this wig is fairly priced considering its quality and features. You're getting a full 30-inch length, the natural feel of human hair, and all the styling versatility that comes with it. So if you're someone who needs a high-density wig that's also durable, this could be a great choice. However, if you're just looking for a light, everyday wig, you might want to consider something with a lower density. Comparing this wig to others on the market, you'll find that it stands out in terms of density and versatility. Some wigs in the same price range may have thinner hair or lower quality lace, but this one seems to have a solid balance between quality and cost. However, if you're looking for something more lightweight and less dramatic, you could find alternatives that offer a more natural everyday look without as much bulk. In terms of build quality, the materials feel sturdy and well made. The lace is soft, and the hair is thick, soft, and silky to the touch. As for longevity, if you take good care of this wig, it should last for quite a while. I haven't had it long enough for a full longevity test, but with proper maintenance, I expect it to hold up well. Customer support from the brand seems solid based on the reputation, though I haven't personally needed to reach out. Most customers seem to report positive experiences with the company, so it's safe to say you're in good hands if an issue arises. Finally, if you're looking for an alternative, you could consider other high-density lace wigs, but make sure to check the materials and lace quality. Some cheaper alternatives may not offer the same thickness or styling versatility, though they could be a good option if you're on a budget. To wrap things up, this 30-inch 613 13x6 lace front wig is a great option if you're after thick, voluminous hair with plenty of styling potential. It's got the versatility to handle all sorts of occasions, but keep in mind the density if you're looking for something lighter. Overall, I'd recommend this wig to anyone who loves a bold, dramatic look with plenty of body. If this review helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so other wig enthusiasts can find this video too. And if you have any thoughts or experiences with this wig, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for tuning in to Beautyistic, and until next time, stay fabulous.